You missed the Bitcoin wave. You missed the NFT boom. Are you really going to sit out the AI influencer era too? Look at this. This creator isn't real, but she's making more per post than a doctor makes in a month. In 2026, the game has changed. Today, I'm showing you Higgsfield AI, the only platform that doesn't just give you the tools to build an AI influencer, but actually pays you to post them. No 10,000 follower requirement, no years of grinding, just build, post, and earn. Higgsfield is arguably the fastest growing Gen AI company right now. Most AI tools are just filters. Higgsfield is a studio. They just launched 2 massive features, the AI Influencer Studio and Higgsfield Earn. Look at this. You connect your social account, verify it instantly, and you're in the revenue stream. No manual approval, no gatekeeping. It's the cheapest and most powerful AI platform I've tested this year. Let's build a persona from scratch. This isn't just typing a prompt. There are 90+ configurable parameters. You can choose any ethnicity. Click through skin tones, eye colors, and body types. Any skin condition, like vitiligo or scars, to make your character look human and unique. If you like a generation but want to change the outfit or the hair, you don't start over, you just edit the prompt directly. I'm going to merge 2 of these presets to create a unique tech-fashion hybrid. Look at that HD quality, no uncanny valley jitters. Static images are dead. In the 2026 algorithm, if it doesn't move, it doesn't exist. For your content to truly go viral, it needs high-fidelity motion. Higgsfield's motion engine is what separates the amateurs from the million-view creators. It gives you complete expressive control. You can take the persona we just built and apply professional-grade movements from their massive motion library. Check out this side-by-side. On the left, we have the prompt, and on the right, the final HD output. Notice how the lighting remains consistent, even as the character moves. This is how you dominate Reels and Shorts. People can't tell if this is a real person or high-end AI. And in 2026, that mystery is exactly what drives millions of views and fuels the comment section debate. Now, let's talk about the part everyone is asking about, the money. Once your video is ready, simply download the final HD file. Upload it as an Instagram Reel or a YouTube Short. Once it's live, copy that video link. Now, look at the Earn dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Paste that link right here and hit Submit. Higgsfield's platform is the first ever direct monetization tool for AI creators. It tracks your views in real time and pays you rewards based on how your content performs. It's a direct, transparent partnership between you and the platform. For new creators, this is a total game changer. You aren't just a user, you are a paid partner. The barrier to entry in the influencer world has officially been destroyed. The excuses are gone. You don't need an expensive camera. You don't need to show your face. You just need a vision. With Higgsfield AI, you have the studio to create, you have the motion to engage, and you have the payout to grow. The links to the AI Influencer Studio and the Earn platform are waiting for you in the description. Go build your digital twin or design a brand new persona and start your journey today. Don't let another wave pass you by. And I'll see you in the next one.